So in this video, we are going to learn what are JavaScript data types. So in JavaScript, there are some data types which are like string. So string can be declared as variable a equals to some string, that is NS code. Then we have a data type that is number. So let var equals to num and equals to 5. We are assigning the value as 5. So here the data type is number. Let var equals to something as is open. So a is equals to true. So here the data type is boolean, and also we have var. Suppose we have a var and data type is something as not known, and this should be undefined, I guess. So I'll do not assign any value to this not known. So this data type should be undefined. So variable, we have also one more, that is null value. So its data type is null. So here the data type should be null. And we have like one more thing. If I let's first console.log this a comma a. In the similar fashion, we will console.log num comma num, and console.log is open comma is open, and console.log not known in string comma, in string means double quotes, inside double quotes. Inside double quotes or single quotes, we can define a string. So not known, and console.log null value comma null value. Let's save the changes and let's open it with the browser. And in our console, we should be able to see these values in our console. If I go to the console first, let me click this console. Am I getting some error? Yeah. So as you can see, a is string, num is number, is open is boolean, that is false, and not known is coming as undefined, null value is coming as null. So here these are some of the data types. We have some more data types in JavaScript. So let me define one more variable as here. In order to check what are the type or the data type of this variable, we can use type of operator. So I'll simply write console.log type of a. So this type of operator just check what is the type of that particular variable, or what is the type of data present inside that particular variable. So here the type of variable that is assigned to variable a was string, and if I check console.log type of num, it should be coming as number. In the similar fashion, if I can use console.log type of is open, we should be getting the data type as boolean. So as you can see, it is boolean. And if I write console.log type of not known or null value first, let's check null value, it should be coming as null or object. Yeah, because null is also an object, so the data type of null is object, as you can see here. And let me write one object here, variable person equals to, and object having properties as name John, and one more property, that is age, as 25. So here if I console.log this person variable, person comma person, we should be getting this object in our browser. So as you can see, we have person having properties as age and name as John and 25. So if I console.log and write type of I have written 2 times person, I guess, of person should be like, let me remove or get rid of this of. Now I am not able to do that. I'm getting some error here. So yeah, now it's moving. So let's save the changes. As you can see, the data type of object is object, the data type of null is also an object. As you can see, it is object. So let's go to our editor again, and we will like see what is basically so if I create one more variable and let it be employees array, and it should be containing some values as the name of employees. So let first employee is John, then second employee is Chris, and third employee should be Evans, and yeah, that's it. And now this is our array. I have declared an array employees, and if I console.log and write employees comma employees, in browser we should be able to see this array. And also I am writing console.log type of this employees array. So the type of this employees array should be coming as object, because the data type of array is also an object. So the data type of null is an object, the data type of object is object, and the data type of array is object. So how to determine whether the array is an array or an object? So as the type of null is object and array is object, so to check if the variable is array of object, using a code we can use another operator, that is instance of. So let me write console.log. So here this instance of check whether the particular variable is instance of what we have declared. So here we will check person is instance of array. So our person is an object, so whether this person is an array or not, so it will check basically here. So let me write instance of comma, let's save the changes. And in browser, oh, there is some error with the reloading. No, it's okay, I guess. Let me save the changes and open the again the live browser. Let me close the older one, and let's open the console. Oops, yeah. So as you can see, instance of is coming as false, because the person is object and it is not an instance of an array. Now if I replace this person with employees, so as you can see, it is coming as true, because the array is the employees is an array and it is the instance of array. Now if I write if I change the array to object, so employees is also an object, so it is coming as true. Okay, now if I change the employees to person, it will also come as true, because person is also instance of object and employee is also instance of object, but person is instance of array. If we check, it should be coming as false, because person is not an array, employees is an array. So in this way we have learned data types in JavaScript.